Have you ever wondered what happens when genius and hubris collide? Daedalus was not just a craftsman, he was a genius, the architect of the labyrinth that housed the fearsome Minotaur in Crete. His brilliance, however, came with a heavy price. The tale takes a dark turn when King Minos, fearing Daedalus's power and ingenuity, imprisoned him and his beloved son Icarus in a towering fortress. Yearning for freedom and desperate to escape, Daedalus crafted magnificent wings from feathers and wax, a marvel of innovation that defied the very limits of human capability. "Fly not too close to the sun, my son," he warned, knowing well the dangers of ambition and the fragility of their creation. Ignoring his father's caution, Icarus soared higher, intoxicated by the thrill of flight and the allure of the heavens. As the sun's relentless heat melted the wax, the tragic fall began. Daedalus, devastated, watched helplessly as his son plunged into the unforgiving sea. What was once a story of daring escape transformed into a haunting reminder of the delicate balance between ambition and recklessness. Daedalus, forever marked by loss, wandered the world, haunted by memories and his genius a double-edged sword. This poignant tale reveals that even the brightest minds can be ensnared by the shadows of their own creations, forever grappling with the consequences of their brilliance.